Hey there, it's almost Mother's Day, and I don't know about you, but my mom loves when I make her special treats. And so this video is actually dedicated to my mom because she loves chocolate and bananas. And so our Mother's Day treat that we're going to make, we are going to make chocolate covered
bananas. Chocolate covered bananas.
To make for Mom for Mother's Day. While we do this activity, I'll be modeling language with the accent device with the Unity 84 sequence software. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to make the chocolate covered bananas for Mom, we need to get everything that we need for our recipe. So we need to get everything.
We need to get everything.
So what is everything?
We need to get everything.
We need some bananas and just regular old chocolate chips. Nestle chocolate chips will do. We need about a cup of chocolate chips. We need some coconut and some nuts. I used cashews, some almond butter, and some pretzels. And the nuts and the almond butter and pretzels and coconut, those are just toppings. So you can pick whatever toppings you want to put on your bananas. Those are the toppings that I chose for mine. In terms of kitchen equipment, this is actually not something you'll find in your kitchen, but you'll find it at a craft store or at a dollar store. This is what's going to be our popsicle stick to go up into our banana and hold it like a popsicle. You also just need a knife and a spoon, and also a cookie sheet and some wax paper. So that is everything we need.
That is everything.
It's everything we need. So the first thing that we need to do is get our bananas ready. So I'm going to take a banana and peel it. I have to take the skin off, right? So I have to
take it off. Take it off.
Take it off. And to do that is to
peel
the banana. So I'm going to take the skin off. And then I'm going to cut the banana in half. I'm going to take one of my popsicle sticks and I'm going to put it into the banana so it'll be held like this. So I have to put the popsicle stick in.
Put it in. Put it in.
And now I need to get a plate because I forgot a plate. Okay, so I have my plate. I'm going to put this banana on the plate and grab a popsicle stick and put it in this banana. So I have to put it in this
one.
Oop, I'm going to do it this way. This one.
Put it in this one.
Put it in this one. Okay. So I'm going to do a couple more bananas, and then I'm going to take my bananas on the sticks and I'm going to put them in the freezer. So I'll be right back. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is melt my chocolate chips, and I'm going to actually melt them in this jar in the microwave. So I need about 1 cup. So I need 1 cup.
I need 1 cup.
1 cup. So let me go ahead and measure those. I have to pour them in here to measure them. So I'm going to
pour them in.
Pour them in. And this is a 1/2 cup measure, so I'm actually going to pour twice. Because 1/2 And 1/2 will give me 1 whole. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and melt these in the microwave, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have melted the chocolate in the microwave. And while that was melting, I also grabbed my bananas out of the freezer. I think I forgot to tell you before, but you want to freeze them for about 2 hours. So this is a 2-step process. And then I also put all of my ingredients in little cups. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cover our banana with chocolate. So I'm dipping it in and just using the spoon to make sure it gets nice and coated. And then while it's nice and wet, I'm going to choose one of my toppings. I think I'll do coconut on this one. And then I'll put it on the wax paper. It's going to go back in the freezer so the chocolate can get hard. Let's grab another one. I have to move quickly with the chocolate because the chocolate will get hard. And I think I will put some pretzels. That'll be good. That'll be super yum. Some pretzels on this chocolate covered banana. You want to put them on while the chocolate is still wet so that they stick. There we go. Let's do one more. I have, this is a big one. This is a big, let's see, this one.
This one is big. This one is big.
Okay, I'll put my chocolate. See if I can roll it in there and get it covered. When I found this recipe, it suggested using a tall cup to put the chocolate in so you could dip. But I'm thinking that you might need a little bit more chocolate than just a cup because it melts down pretty far. All right, here's another one. I think we'll put some nuts on this one. To put some on. So let me do that first before it dries, and then I'll show you how to say that, put some on. Yum. Alright, there's our nutty nut one. So I had to put, I hit that too many times, put some on.
Put some on.
Put some on. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dribble some almond butter on one. So that'll be super yummy too. All right, I'm going to grab my last banana, dip it in my chocolate. Now it's covered. So the banana is covered.
It is covered
with chocolate.
Chocolate. It is covered
Yum.
with chocolate.
Now, I'm going to take a spoon, and almond butter is pretty drippy. So I'm just going to, hopefully, just drip some onto the banana. Drip it on, and drip it on, and drip it on. Just a couple of little stripes. It looks kind of sloppy, but I bet it tastes really good. All right. So once your bananas are covered, so after they're covered, after they're covered, you want to put them back in the freezer.
Put them in the
freezer is an appliance, so it's in the second row of
freezer.
Our second activity row from the cooking icon.
Put them in the freezer.
Put them back in the freezer so they get nice and hard, and then they'll be ready to eat. Okay, so I pulled these out of the freezer. They actually didn't need to go into the freezer for very long because the banana was frozen and it made the chocolates get hard really, really quickly. So we have the chocolate covered banana with nuts and coconut and pretzels and almond butter. And like I said before, you can pick whatever toppings you want to put on your chocolate covered bananas. But I hope that you have fun making these, and I hope you have a happy Mother's Day with your mom.